In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Amazon Prime Video if it isn't working on your TV. I'm going to show you a few really simple ways to try and solve your problem and get it back up and running again. The first one is the easiest one to try, and that is to unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient, wait the whole 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This is very different from turning your TV on and off with your remote control. This is what we call a hard reset of your TV, so make sure you do this method. If that doesn't work, then locate your router and go ahead and unplug the power source to your router and leave it off for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. It'll probably take a couple minutes to reboot and get back online, but see if that works. If not, try deleting the Amazon Prime Video app on your TV. Go to wherever your apps are located on your TV and remove the app altogether. Then reinstall the Prime Video app again. After you reinstall it, you might have to log back in with all your credentials, but hopefully this will work. If that doesn't work, then I recommend buying an affordable Roku stick or Amazon Fire Stick, and you'll be able to access Amazon Prime Video that way. I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get one. Well, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.